Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down a really powerful system I've been building. A modular melee weapon framework using Unreal Engine's Mutable system and the gameplay ability system. I would like to first thank my fellow developer Rafe for assisting me with this entire system. This system lets you build any melee weapon by combining bases and attachments, each with their own attributes and abilities. Players can experiment, flip, swap, and even create unique combos, all powered by gas. So the idea is simple. A base defines core behavior, light, heavy attacks, weapon type, durability, and core attributes. Each attachment can override or extend those base abilities. The player can equip attachments on either side and swap between them dynamically. For example, if both sides have spare attachments, the system automatically blends animations and abilities to behave like a dual blade. This means weapon creation becomes systematic instead of hard-coded. Designers and even players can mix-match bases and attachments to form new weapons that interact seamlessly with combat logic. Let's say I want to add a new long sword type weapon. I go into my mutable setup, add a new base, assign the skeletal mesh and materials. Then I define its attributes, for example, the attack speed, reach, stamina, durability, sharpness, etc. Next, in the gas ability data, I duplicate an existing light and heavy ability, assign new gameplay tags, and tweak damage formulas. The key thing here is every weapon's attack is just a child ability that inherits the base weapon's logic. So we can introduce new animations, effects, or motion warping distances while keeping everything modular. Here's where it all connects. Inside the cluster's weapon blueprint, we handle owner reference, collision setup, and ability bindings. When equipped, the weapon grants abilities through gas, specifically a mutable ability set that manages all light and heavy attacks. These abilities then reference the weapon's attributes such as base, damage, attachment modifiers, and durability to calculate the final output. If an attachment modifies motion warping or stamina consumption, it updates those parameters to exposed parameters, making the combat response unique for that weapon configuration. Let's break down an example. When I attack, the weapon fires the primary mutable ability. This checks the stamina, triggers animation, and waits for the gameplay events like hit confirmed or combo input received. If the combo continues, the system calls the next ability in the chain, pulling the modified stats from both base and attachment. Damage is then calculated as a blend of both base power plus attachment modifier, combo multiplier, and the stamina factor. All this happens dynamically, meaning I can attach Spearhead to a sword base and it will behave differently, both visually and mechanically. Because it's built on mutable plus gas, this system scales really well. You can easily add elemental damage, status effects, or unique combo branches, all through data tables and attributes, without rewriting the code. And with durability integrated, players are encouraged to experiment and find efficient base attachment combinations before their gear breaks, giving natural variety to combat flow. This setup forms the foundation for a player-driven melee sandbox where creativity and mastery go hand in hand. If you're into combat design and systems, make sure to subscribe. I'll be breaking down damage calculation, motion warping, and combo systems in later videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.